In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants to a Shopify store. Product variants are things like different sizes, colors, or styles of the same item. Setting them up properly makes shopping easier for your customers and keeps your inventory organized. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main admin page, look over to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see a list of sections that control different parts of your store. Click on the option labeled Products. This is where all of the items in your store are managed. On the Products page, you'll see a list of all your existing products. Find the product you want to add variants to and click on its name to open the product details. Make sure you're editing the correct product, because the changes you make here will appear on your live store once you save. When the product page opens, scroll down until you find the section titled Variants. If your product doesn't have any variants yet, you'll see an option that says something like Add options like size or color. Click on that link. This is how you tell Shopify that this product comes in different versions. Next, you'll choose the type of variant you want to create. Common examples are size, color, or material, but you can use whatever makes sense for your product. Click on the variant type you want to add. If you're not sure, think about what the customer needs to choose on the product page before they add the item to their cart. Below the variant name, you'll see a field where you can enter the specific options. Click into this field, then start adding your options, such as small, medium, and large, or different color names. Make sure your spelling is clear and consistent, because this is exactly how it will appear to customers. As you add these options, Shopify will automatically create the individual variants for you. Double check that all the sizes, colors, or other variations you want are listed. When you're happy with your selections, click Done to confirm the new variant options. Finally, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your new variants won't be applied to the product. Once it's saved, preview your store and check the product page to make sure the variants look and work the way you expect.